Right now, researchers keeping a close eye on COVID-19 cases with Labor Day celebrations continuing today. This as numbers show Florida's dealing with its deadliest phase of COVID-19 since the pandemic started. We spoke with a doctor about what could happen next. ABC Action News reporter Larissa Scott explains their latest concerns and a new warning for people that are celebrating the holiday today.
For the Labor Day weekend, we're suggesting that people continue to exercise caution.
Health experts are worried about the impact this holiday could have on COVID-19 cases in the state.
The warning is that there are still lots of people who are unvaccinated. The Delta virus is really strong. There are a couple of others coming up behind it.
Doctors tell us this Labor Day holiday and however you choose to celebrate will be critical to what happens next in the pandemic and will give researchers some necessary information to find out more on how this virus reacts.
The most important thing we can still do is vaccine. And if you're not, even if you're vaccinated, as we know with Delta, you may still be able to get sick. So let's be careful out there.
As you're celebrating today, doctors want to remind you to avoid crowds and wear a mask around people if you're unsure of their vaccination status.
Remember, this virus spreads through respiratory expression. Talking, singing, yelling, cheering. So even if you're outside, there's a risk that this thing can float around.
According to new reports, as of mid-August, Florida was averaging 244 deaths per day. That's up from just 23 a day in late June. Some researchers believe the state may have reached a peak around the middle or end of August, so this holiday weekend will be telling.
A peak does not mean a drop-off. It means that the highest is going to be, and then there might be a plateauing. And what we've seen in this virus is that the cycle lasts for about 2 months, and then it goes down again, and then we wait to see what happens.
Doctors are continuing to urge people to get vaccinated so we can be prepared for the next wave should it come. We have a list of vaccination sites on abcactionnews.com in the coronavirus section. In Tampa, Larissa Scott, ABC Action News.